Select the model, and click the Auto Orientation button. A dialog box pops up, and users can choose different optimization strategy as need. Users can choose the two algorithm optimization methods, fast, accurate. Choosing different optimization algorithms affects the results and speed of auto orientation. The auto orientation results support two viewing modes, numerical and percentage. In percentage mode, the higher the percentage, the closer the color is to blue, the lower the percentage, the closer the color is to orange. In numerical mode, the lower the value, the closer the color is to blue, the higher the value, the closer the color is to orange.